Welcome to Hi Channel. Today, join us as we explore two breathtaking destinations in Tadoussac, Quebec, Les Dunes and the Réserve Naturelle du Parc Languedoc. Let's dive in. Our first stop is Les Dunes de Tadoussac, an incredible natural wonder just minutes from the village. As we step onto the sand, it feels like we've entered another world. These massive dunes stretch along the St. Lawrence River, offering some of the most spectacular views in the area. From the top of the dunes, we're greeted by a panoramic scene, the vast St. Lawrence River, forested hills rolling into the distance, and the endless blue sky. It's the perfect spot to take in a sunrise or sunset, with the golden light casting beautiful shadows across the sand. What can you do here? Well, for the adventurous, sliding or sandboarding down the slopes is an absolute thrill, so if you have a board or sled, bring it along. There are also trails winding through the dunes and nearby forest for those who prefer a scenic hike. Don't forget your binoculars. Les Dunes is a hotspot for birdwatching, with seabirds and even eagles making appearances. The dunes themselves are a geological treasure, shaped by glaciers over thousands of years. You'll find interpretive signs along the trails that tell the story of how this incredible landscape came to be. Next, we head to the peaceful Réserve Naturelle du Parc Languedoc, a haven of tranquility and biodiversity. As soon as we step into the reserve, we're surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature, rustling leaves, birdsong, and the trickle of streams. This reserve is a mosaic of boreal forests and meandering trails, offering a serene escape for anyone who loves the outdoors. The trails here are easy to navigate, making them perfect for families or casual hikers. Along the way, we find interpretive signs sharing fascinating details about the plants and wildlife that call this place home. Speaking of wildlife, keep your eyes peeled. A variety of birds make their home here. It's like stepping into a nature documentary, one you get to experience firsthand. For those looking to unwind, the Réserve Naturelle du Parc Languedoc is the perfect spot for reflection or even a quiet picnic surrounded by pristine beauty. When visiting these stunning locations, be sure to wear sturdy shoes, whether you're climbing the dunes or wandering through the forest trails. Bring water, snacks, and sunscreen, and don't forget your camera to capture the unforgettable views. These two destinations in Tadoussac offer such a perfect mix of adventure and serenity. Whether you're sliding down the dunes or soaking in the peaceful vibes of the reserve, you're sure to leave with unforgettable memories. Thanks for watching Hi Channel. If you enjoyed exploring Les Dunes and the Réserve Naturelle du Parc Languedoc with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.